If you're not a fan of salad or eating raw vegetables, this particular recipe is for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make vegetable fritters. It's so delicious. You can eat this with bread or any other food of your choice, or better still, you can enjoy it alone. If you're new here, this is Uji's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you can get more mouth-watering recipes, and also hit the like button and notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get into the cooking process. For this recipe, you'll be needing some shredded cabbages, chopped carrots, chopped onions, chopped green bell peppers, a tablespoon of flour, 1 egg, crushed stock cubes, paprika, and Cameroon pepper. And add any other veggie of your choice. In a bowl, pour in your shredded cabbages. Don't forget to check the description box below for the quantity of ingredients I use for this recipe. Now add your veggies. For this recipe, you can decide to add some proteins if you're interested. Now add in your seasoning. You can choose to add a pinch of salt, but I didn't add salt into this recipe because I feel the stock cubes is enough. Now add in your flour. Since we're adding eggs to this recipe, the flour will help the veggies bind together. The eggs also adds a nice taste to your vegetable fritters. Stir properly to combine. Now you can add as much pepper as you want, and you can add in more paprika if you want to give it that very vibrant color. Now I'm going to add in my egg. Stir thoroughly to combine. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to take a spoon of my veggies and gently put it in a greased non-sticky pan. We don't want oil in our vegetable fritters, so I simply brushed my pan with vegetable oil. Ensure you cook this on medium heat so it will not burn. Now I'm going to gently flip this to the other side. Now you have to be careful when doing this so your vegetables won't separate from each other. I tried eating these vegetable fritters with bread and it was so good, and I also enjoyed eating it alone. And if you have children who don't like salad, this vegetable recipe is perfect for them. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know your thoughts on this particular recipe below. And also don't forget to share the video. Thanks for watching.